What's happening?
Nothing.
Adam's buying me gas. What a generous friend. Oh, so we were gonna go to Meijer, but the parking lot, I don't think there was any spaces left. It was so weird. So we're gonna go to Bush's instead. Bush's is more expensive than Meijer, but at least we can park our car. And then we're gonna go home. I'm still not done shopping. There's still a couple things I need to get. I don't know. I don't know when I'm gonna do it. I guess Monday. Because Tuesday's Christmas Eve. So Monday. Monday I'm gonna have to get everything done. Ugh. This weather's depressing. Where I saw somebody look out the window of that creepy barn. That window right there. I might just be so tired that I imagined it. That was creepy. He's still pumping gas. He's buying a lot of gas. Why so much gas?
We're gonna have a full tank for Christmas.
Oh. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Welcome to Calder Dairy Farm in the rain.
I wish it was sunny. Not sunny. I wish it was snowing outside. Cows out in the rain.
Ooh, we could go feed the cows. But probably not out in the rain.
This is a
though.
depressing Christmas.
I know.
Like, this is the first Christmas where things can be perfect. Especially in the morning, if you know what I mean. And it's gonna be late Christmas.
In the morning? What are you talking about? I don't think I know what you mean.
Okay, okay.
I think everything but the weather has been perfect. Well, not really.
Just have to let that part out.
I'm to Calder without filming the geese. Oh, this is a big, muddy, mushy mess.
Good lord. This would be
So we bought eggnog, chip dip,
best chip dip in the world.
and I bought maple nut ice cream and a bunch of country store candy for stockings. We love Calder Dairy Farm. It's better when it's not raining though. Over there's the zombie milkman. I'll have to show him to you. I think I already vlogged him once, didn't I?
A zombie milkman?
Yeah, he's right there. Go look at him.
I'm kind of afraid.
Come here. Unless they fixed him. Yeah, they painted him. But he still looks like a zombie. Alright, let's go home. These walls, these clothes, on this couch, I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say anymore. And sing.
She got a vlog like that. She's walking the tree.
No, I'm thinking of some lyrics. This is a rapper. Okay. To our rooms. So Zoe stopped vlogging us. Yes, Zoe stopped vlogging us. Oh Zoe, stop vlogging us. Silent night. Okay.